Good morning, everybody. Join us today as we go through a sneak peek of the Pacific Bonsai Expo going on this weekend. Welcome. Good morning, everybody. Just if you're coming to the Pacific Bonsai Expo tomorrow or Sunday, that's 10th Street. It's a little under construction right now. You're going to come in. You're going to be dropped off right here at the front of this building, which is on 10th Street. Took us a while, so this is the entrance. You're going to walk through that door right there, and then you're going to go into the registration area that's right behind the door. So let you start walking that way, and then of course it's locked right now, but of course when you get in, registration table's on this side. Let me pause my camera and you can see what's going on the other side. Alrighty, as you walk in, you can purchase your tickets and items here. You can go actually, if you're prepaid, your registration should be on the other side. I'll give you a sneak peek. This is a sneak peek, and we'll give you a little more of what's going on, but that gives you an idea. You kind of walk around the trees. If you want to do the demos, it's on the 3rd floor of this balcony area. So we're going to go down this hallway. And of course, on the outside, you're going to see the vendors on the outside. So might be one of the first places you might be heading for tomorrow if you're going to do that. First, give you a kind of sneak peek what's here. How you guys doing? You can see some silent auction. Trees are up. We got some vendors. I'll come back and just an idea of what's being placed out down this hallway. You got some really cool stuff, some pottery, some trees. You got some merch here. You know, going pretty quick just gives you an idea of what's being offered. We got some really nice, some big pots here if you're looking for some pots. Got more on that side. Again, if you go straight up that floor, that's for the demos and for the demonstration talks upstairs. Looking for stones? You got some stones here. Beautiful stones work. Enter the main hallway. This is kind of a cool shot. Let me give you a really cool wide shot here. So the vendor area is on this, seems like the north side of the building. Trees are on the south. Of course, you got Bonsai over here, and some of those pygmy cypress and some redwoods. Mojave Mounds log pole pine, excuse me. You got some ceramics guys here, some Doug's trees. I know it's really quick. I'll come back to another one, but just an idea of what to see. Holy smokes, check this thing out. That's huge. Of course, it's Nate here, carrying these giant trees. Some other stuff over here. Check that out. I'll come back and do like a detail shot. A couple minutes here, but just give you an idea of a sneak peek. Now's famous pots. So some really nice pots here. Ooh, some big boy pots. Place to run to first. Some scroll work if you're looking for scroll work. Of course, that's there are a lot of vendors here, a lot more than 2 years ago, so that's exciting to see. I'll do a quick pan shot if I can of the trees, just give me an idea what's going on, but nothing to be exposed up so quick. Just really quick, just a wide angle shot here. See, they're still setting up. A couple more hours to go, cleaning. That's it. I'm gonna give you guys, maybe I can get Eric and Jonas to a quick detail shot here. that's a preview for today. I hope to see you guys this weekend at the Pacific Bonsai Expo here in Oakland. They're judging right now, so I gotta get going. I'll see you guys later. Again, stop me if you guys see me and introduce yourself. If not, keep watching videos. They'll be posting this whole weekend. Enjoy, everybody. Bye.